the new product development process for you and the sources of insights which you use to develop new products?
Okay. So when a market is this competitor heavy, I think the very first insight is to look at your competitors, look at their prices, look at the kind of USPs that they are offering, and then seeing to it whether that's enough in a product or can you do something differently. Can you add value by doing something differently? So I think those are the key things that you need to look at and need to start with. So competitor research and market research in terms of what are the trends, what are the things that are upcoming, what is something that, there are a lot of external factors that might affect a product's journey. So something like COVID, we were in like a couple of years, we were wearing masks. So there were a lot of products that came around those those kind of things that the mask was sort of affecting the skin in some way. Now,